Good evening. My name is Tammy Janzen. This evening I will be using QuickBooks Accounting 2015 to work on Chapter 4, Case Problem 3, using the file Janzen, Attorney at Law PC. We are supposed to prepare and print the following reports. Item number 1, ask us to prepare a new statement of cash flows for the period 1/1/12 to 1/31/12. So we'll go up to Reports, under Company and Financial, and do Statement of Cash Flows. We will go up here and I will use the Tab key and we'll change the dates to 1/1/12. And I can tab over, change it to January 31st of 12. And if I tab, it's the same thing as hitting the refresh key. Go in here and customize the report. Always make sure you go into header and footer. I will put my name in here, Tammy Janzen. It asks us to prepare this without the date prepared and the time prepared fields. And basically we go ahead and click OK. And we have our statement of cash flows, January 2012. Ask us if we want to print this. We can go under Print, Report. As we can see there, I will cancel. Otherwise, at number 1, ask us to memorize it as SCF1. Save in a memorized group under Tammy Janzen. Say OK. And that's the answer to item number 1. We could print this, and or as I saved it and memorized it. Okay, I'm going to escape back out of here. Item number 2, ask us to prepare a new statement of cash flows for the period of 2/1/12 to 2/29/12. So we'll go up to Reports, Company and Financial, Statement of Cash Flows. I will tab over and change the date to 2/1/12 to 2/29/12. Tab over, which refreshes it. You can see we have a statement of cash flows for Janzen, Attorney at Law PC for February of 2012. We go into Customize Report, header and footer. Of course, put my name in here. And it asks us to do with the right page layout formatted. Okay. And it wants us to format without cents. So we go into Fonts and Numbers, without cents. And we go back to header and footer, and it says without the date prepared and time prepared. And we go ahead and say OK. And we can see that it's right aligned, right page layout. We've got our report here, so we can print it if we choose to. Otherwise, it asks us to memorize as SCF2. And I'll save it in my memorized report group under Tammy Janzen. Click OK. And you can hear that it saved my report. And that's the results for item number 1 and 2 for Chapter 4, Case Problem 3. Thank you.